They've got this Marie Callender's creamy Parmesan chicken pot pie. Let's check it out. I bet it's gonna be good. I'm gonna cook this in the microwave, so this one's gonna, I'm gonna open the carton, peel back along the perforation, slit the crust, and cook it with the top off. And cook it for 8.5 to 10 minutes. So I'll do about nine minutes. Look at that. That smells good. Hot. All right, here's how I did this. I just kind of chunked it up, and I'm gonna let it cool that way. All right, it's cooled off. Let's give it a go. It smells good. I can taste them red peppers in there. That's nice. Hot still. Let that thing cool off for about 10 minutes. Still hot. Yeah, that is delicious. Look at that. Can't go wrong here.